Now, let's begin to type some words. Word.
Yo, when I hit
L shift O to the quote and then dollar. If you know the dir of the nerdcore rhyme, you holler. I hit L shift O to the quote and then dollar. If you know the dir of the nerdcore rhyme, you holler. I hit L shift O to the quote and then dollar. If you know the dir of the nerdcore rhyme, you holler.
Nerd ho! Warm the mic up, yo, we bout to strike up this band of nebishes who cultivate nebulous fetishes. The FPS, RPG, or MM called any obsession to blather over by blog or BBS. Step and possess, honed by geekishness. Your frame rate and frags today both impress. And yes, your affinity for a certain sight of some amusement. A classically adorned parlor of fun where you let loose pent-up set pieces to partake of thicker dramas. Get you branded a sniper, bitch, or rocket mama humper. Damn, dude, they said you're cheating, but with coins in hand, you got more game than Will Wheaton. When's the MC bout to get funny? I'm losing patience. Wanna know how the pants contain one wang and two next stations and a tandy hole where he plays whack-a-mole with the toilet paper. Front a lot, rock the PA song at the lowest common denominator. Not as a hater of culture or a lacquer in class, but an expert at math, accounting how the penny arcade owns your ass.
L shift O to the quote and then